So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Ethical Hacking Week 6 Assignment 6. So the first question is, which of the following type of attack can the Daniel of service attack be categorized into? So these are the option: interruption, interception, modification, fabrication. So let's check the answer of our first question. First, interruption, attack on availability. So the answer of our first question is A, interruption. Now the second question is, which of the following statement is are false? So these are the options, and let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, encryption. Two forms of encryption: private or symmetric, single key shared by sender and receiver, public key or asymmetric, separate key for sender and receiver. So the answer of our second question is B and C. Now the third question is, on which difficult mathematical problem does the security of RSA algorithm depends on? So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, the security of RSA, the problem of factoring n into two prime factors, is computationally very difficult. So the answer of our third question is C, prime factorization problem. Now the fourth question is, 100 parties want to exchange messages securely using public key cryptography like RSA. The number of distinct key value required will be. So the answer of our fourth question is 100. Now the fifth question is, 20 parties want to exchange messages securely using symmetric key cryptography. The number of distinct key value required will be dash. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, these are calculations, and the answer is 190. So the answer of our fifth question is 190. Now the sixth question is, we want to encrypt the plain text cryptography using a substitution keeper where each letter is replaced by the kth next letter with the following assumption. So these are the assumptions. The alphabet are wrapped around Z is followed by A. Each alphabet A to Z is assigned a number 1 to 26. The value of secret key K is 4. What will be the cheaper text? So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question 6, we can generalize the idea by replacing each letter by the kth following letter. K become the secret key. If we assign a number to each letter, A equal to 1, B equal to 2, etc., then C is equal to E of P equal to P plus K minus 1 percentile 26 plus 1. P equal to D of C equal to C minus K plus 25 percentile 26 plus 1. So the answer is GVCTX. So the answer of our sixth question is B. Now the seventh question is, consider a mono-alphabetic chipper with the following key values. So these are the key value. What will be the encrypted form of the message to M? So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, mono-alphabetic chipper allow any arbitrary substitution and so on. So these are the solution. So the answer of our seventh question is A. GCAYAM. Now let's go to eighth question. If a receiver A want to carry out decryption on a message received from B using public key cryptography, which of the following key will be used for decryption by A? So these are the options, and let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, requirement easy for the receiver to decrypt chipper text using private key. So the answer of our eighth question is B. A is private key. Now the ninth question is, AES used an effective key length of dash bits. So these are the options, and let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, the AES crypto system, the block length and the key length can be independently specified to be 128, 192 or 256 bits. So the answer of our ninth question is B, C, D. Now the 10th question is, which cryptographic algorithms uses the same key for encryption and decryption? So these are the option, and these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is C and D. DES AES. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.